Hi and welcome to this video on the architectural aspect of staircase design. Staircases are an important element in architecture, serving as a functional and aesthetically pleasing component in a building. They provide a transition between different levels of a structure and can serve as a focal point in the interior design. That's why it's important to consider the architectural aspect of staircase design to ensure a safe and visually appealing final product. Next, functionality is an important aspect of staircase design. A well-designed staircase should be easy to use, with steps that are not too steep or too shallow. The handrail should be at a comfortable height for the average person to grasp, and the staircase should be wide enough to accommodate to people walking side by side if needed. Aesthetics also play a key role. A staircase can be a beautiful addition to a building, serving as a visual centerpiece. The material used to construct the staircase, the shape of the steps, and the style of the handrail all contribute to the overall appearance of the staircase. For example, a spiral staircase can be an eye-catching addition to a modern building, while a traditional staircase with ornate balusters and handrail can complement a more classic architectural style. In conclusion, the architectural aspect of staircase design requires careful consideration of safety, functionality, and aesthetics. A well-designed staircase should meet building codes and regulations, be easy to use, and be visually pleasing. Whether you're designing a new building or renovating an existing one, investing in a well-designed staircase is sure to pay off in the end. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on architecture and design.